Want to make cooking feel effortless? These futuristic kitchen gadgets are designed to speed things up, cut the mess, and simplify every step. From smart prep tools to clever cooking helpers, they make everything way easier. All product links are in the description below. This large-capacity batter dispenser holds up to 5 cups, making it perfect for family breakfasts or group cooking. The wide opening makes mixing and refilling quick and mess-free. A sturdy triangle handle is built for daily use without cracking or breaking. Just squeeze to pour for smooth, drip-free control and perfectly shaped pancakes every time. Imagine a robot that chops, stirs, steams, and fries, all while you relax. This all-in-one smart cooking machine takes over the kitchen with 21 built-in functions and a 7-inch touchscreen that guides you step by step. From soups to stir-fries, it handles it all with precise heating, blending, and weighing in one pot. Over 3,000 recipes are ready to try, with new ones updated weekly through Wi-Fi. And when dinner's done, it even cleans itself with a one-touch auto wash. Some jars just don't want to open, but this tool makes them surrender instantly. The twisting jar opener grips tightly, so you don't have to. Its large handle gives you all the leverage you need, even if your hands aren't at full strength. The non-slip base pad keeps everything steady while you twist. From tiny sauce bottles to giant pickle jars, you'll open them all with zero struggle. Ice cream nights just got an upgrade. This smart ice cream and soft serve maker lets you swirl, scoop, or mix up your favorite frozen treats in minutes. With 13 preset programs, you can make everything from creamy gelato to fruity sorbet or protein-packed desserts. Add your own toppings and mix-ins for endless combos. It's easy to use, simple to clean, and perfect for all ages, kids included. Rolling meatballs by hand gets old fast. This Meatball Shaper lets you press seasoned meat into perfectly even portions in seconds. Every piece comes out the same size, so you get consistent cooking without guesswork. You can cook them right away or freeze them and pop out only what you need later. It's dishwasher safe, freezer friendly, and makes meal prep way less messy. Keep your fruits and veggies fresher for longer with these clever food savers. Each container seals tightly around your produce, locking in moisture and blocking out air that causes browning. The flexible silicone design hugs everything from avocados to lemons and onions with a perfect fit. They're reusable, dishwasher safe, and easy to stack in the fridge. Less waste, more freshness, your leftovers just got an upgrade. Pouring oil shouldn't turn into a guessing game. This pump-style oil dispenser gives you clean, controlled pours with every press. Clear markings show exactly how much you're using, so you don't overdo it while cooking or dressing salads. The glass bottle feels sturdy in your hand and won't drip all over your counter. Use it for oils, vinegar, or dressings, and keep your kitchen neat and precise. Garlic prep doesn't have to be a sticky, smelly chore. This smart garlic press crushes cloves without even peeling them. Just load, press, and you're done. The round grill holes create fine, even mincing perfect for sauces, soups, and roasted dishes. It's crafted from rust-proof stainless steel and has a detachable handle for easy cleaning. You can rinse it under water or toss it straight in the dishwasher. Cracking eggs just got cleaner and smarter. This handheld eggshell opener makes it easy to open raw eggs without the mess or broken shells. Just place the egg inside, press the clamp, and it cracks perfectly every time. It even separates the egg for you, ideal for baking or cooking. Made from durable, food-safe plastic, it's easy to clean and safe to toss in the dishwasher. Say goodbye to cluttered drawers full of measuring spoons. This adjustable measuring spoon lets you slide to the exact amount you need, no swapping or guessing. It measures both grams and milliliters, making it perfect for liquids, powders, or spices. Just push, scoop, and pour with one hand. Made from safe, BPA-free materials, it's compact, easy to clean, and surprisingly addictive to use. Imagine melting and spraying real butter with just one press. This electric butter sprayer turns a full stick into a smooth, even mist, perfect for popcorn, pancakes, or buttery toast. Just load, heat, and spray for quick, mess-free cooking. The precision nozzle gives perfect coverage without wasting a drop. It charges fast, stores neatly in the fridge, and makes everything taste a little more delicious. Make perfect burgers every time with this UFO-style burger machine. The 3.9 baking pan fits standard buns, and larger buns keep ice cream burgers neatly in place. Stainless steel construction is durable, and the non-stick pan makes cleanup easy. The 180 degrees rotating press seals edges evenly, keeping ingredients secure on the go. Adjustable temperature and a 5-minute timer let you make savory or sweet burgers in minutes. Love dumplings but hate the tedious folding? This automatic dumpling press does all the work for you. Just add your wrapper and filling, press a button, and it seals perfect dumplings in seconds. Each one comes out neat, even, and ready to cook. It's simple enough for beginners, yet fast enough for pros. Lightweight, compact, and easy to clean. Your dumpling nights just got effortless. Ready to shred like a BBQ pro? These meat claws turn pulled pork, chicken, or brisket into perfectly shredded goodness in seconds. The sharp, durable tips tear through meat easily while keeping your hands safe from the heat. Their ergonomic design gives you a solid grip for total control. And when the feast is over, just pop them in the dishwasher for a quick, easy cleanup. Slice fruits and veggies perfectly every time with this versatile vegetable slicer. You can easily adjust thickness from 0 to ½ an inch, whether you want thin salad slices or thicker cuts for cheese. Use it electrically with a simple switch or manually with a comfortable handle. Great for home or outdoor use. Sharp stainless steel blades give clean, precise cuts every time and are easy to swap out. The full stainless steel body is durable, rust-resistant, and simple to clean, making daily use effortless. Powder everywhere? Not anymore. This scoop and funnel combo lets you pour powders straight into bottles without the mess. You scoop, slide, and everything drops cleanly through the funnel into place. It works great for protein shakes, baby formula, or even refilling pods and jars. The long handle makes one-handed use easy, and it fits bottles with small openings. Simple, smart, and way cleaner than a regular scoop. Spices stay fresher when they're easy to reach. This wall-mounted spice container set clears up drawer and counter clutter in one move. Each clear jar lets you see what you need, scoop it out with a built-in spoon, and close it back up fast. The sealed lids help keep flavors fresh and dust away. You hang it without drilling, and your kitchen instantly feels cleaner and more organized. Bring the barbecue indoors, no smoke, no mess. This 2-in-1 electric grill lets you sear meats, melt cheese, and grill veggies all on one surface. The 1,500 watt power heats up fast, while the adjustable temperature control gives you perfect results every time. Non-stick plates pop out for quick cleanup, and the mini cheese pans add a fun twist to any meal. Rain or shine, grilling's always on the menu. Greasy soups don't have to end up on your plate. This clever oil-separating ladle helps you scoop food while letting excess oil stay behind. You dip, lift, and pour, and the design naturally keeps grease out of the flow. The soft silicone head is safe on non-stick cookware and comfortable for you to hold. It's easy to clean, simple to use, and makes everyday cooking feel a lot lighter. If you love hot pot or KBBQ, this manual frozen meat slicer is a total game changer. It lets you cut thin, even slices of beef, lamb, or chicken straight from the freezer. No more wrestling with a dull knife. The sturdy stainless steel frame and razor-sharp blade glide smoothly for perfect results every time. You can adjust the thickness, save money on pre-sliced meat, and clean it easily after use. Snack time just got cuter. These magnetic fries clips look like a box of golden fries, but work like little freshness savers for your snacks. Use them to seal chip bags, coffee packs, or any opened package to keep things crisp and organized. The magnetic holder sticks right to your fridge for easy access, and the durable plastic design means they'll last. Fun, functional, and totally fridge-worthy. Pouring cereal or snacks shouldn't feel like a balancing act. These smart bag clips come with a built-in spout, so you can pour just the right amount without any spills or crumbs. The flip-top lid snaps shut instantly, keeping everything fresh and sealed. They're colorful, stackable, and make your pantry look perfectly organized. From chips to pet food, you'll pour, seal, and store like a pro. Parenting just got a little easier. This smart baby food maker handles steaming, blending, and even cleaning, all in one touch. Just pop in veggies, fruit, or meat, choose a preset, and it cooks and purees everything perfectly. The self-cleaning mode saves you precious time, and the BPA-free design keeps every meal safe and healthy. It's the helping hand every new parent wishes for. Dull knives slowing you down? This electric knife sharpener brings your blades back to life in seconds. With 3 sharpening stages and a built-in guide rail, it keeps every edge perfectly aligned for smooth, precise cuts. The durable grinding wheel handles everything from kitchen knives to scissors and even screwdrivers. Fast, safe, and compact, it's the ultimate fix for tired blades and busy kitchens. Turn every fruit platter into art with this clever Melon baller set. It's a 4-in-1 tool that scoops, cores, and slices fruits effortlessly, perfect for watermelon, kiwi, or even soft veggies. The stainless steel heads glide smoothly, while the fun mini cutters let you shape fruit into stars, hearts, and more. Durable, easy to clean, and dishwasher safe. It makes prepping fruit both quick and creative. Peeling apples has never been this fast or fun. This handy peeler, slicer, and corer gets the job done in seconds. Just crank the handle and watch it work. The flexible blades adjust to any fruit size, leaving thin skins and minimal waste. It comes with replacement blades and a simple slicer for extra convenience. Compact, easy to clean, and ready to make pies or applesauce a breeze. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.